So, hello learners. This is a very surprising moment for us, for me, and for you all. That in our previous video, I announced that I am starting a 30 days English speaking challenge. So, this is the first day of that series, which we will talk about everything about English speaking, why we are not good enough. If you are good, it's okay, but you are not good enough in English speaking, or you are not comfortable to speak everywhere. So be connected with me, and we are going to speak, and we are going to talk about every types of challenges, from the words to sentences to phrasal verbs to preposition and everything, and what matters for English speaking and what doesn't matter for English speaking, and why where we lack from speaking. So everything I am going to talk, and I am also following some playlist. So whatever the information I am learning, I am going to share with you all, because I am also not very comfortable, very fluent in English speaking. I am just also enhancing my English speaking. So be connected, and we are going to learn everything about English speaking in 30 days. So this is a basic roadmap. From beyond that, you can also do lots of activities to enhance and improve your English speaking. So the problem is that we there is no environment that everyone want to learn and speak English. But where we lack in environment, because we live in an environment of different language. If we are living at home from different states, so you maybe face some challenges, how we can practice, how we can speak. So environment, it is impacting us. We are not comfortable, and if we get some chance to speak, so we fear to speak in front of the people. So everything we are going to discuss about this. So the problem is that we are good in our field. If you are in college or school or university, you are doing your course, you are good at your technical skill. So 70% is matter your technical skill, and 30% matter your extra skills, or you can say the soft skills or communication skill. But the students are, they are comfortable in their subject, they are master in their subject. But when we go out to take jobs, or to get give presentation, or to face any interview, we lack from university, from college. When we go to face interview, we lack to we get fear, and we are not comfortable to speak in front of the HR, in front of the people. So we have to just overcome this fear from practicing everywhere. So we are going to discuss about it also. So the environment is very important to speaking, for speaking. So 70% is your technical skill, and 30% is your soft skill, which is communication skill and appearance and body language and your behavior. Everything is matters a lot. So on this series, we are going to talk about different methods. Methods means tips. I am going to learn and share with you all tips how we can improve ourselves. What is the tips or techniques to improve or speak English in a better way? I am going to share with you all. So be connected. And the other thing, which is we just have to start. If you are not going to start, you are not going to face this challenge, you are not going to learn. If you have done, you have taken the aim and goal, just I have to learn, I have to speak, then no one can stop you from learning, from speaking. So just you have to decide, and take a challenge for 30 days, and you can also participate with me. Just you have to share your video, whatever the information you learn from this video, you have to just open your camera and start speaking from the basic, just from introduction. You can give your introduction. So this is the beginning from where you can start gradually, and then you have started. No one can stop you from improving, from learning English language. So every day I'm going to post my video at 7 p.m. in the evening. So you can watch, and anything, whatever the things you are going to learn, you can just share your video, and we are going to improve ourselves every day for 30 days. So I think you got some value from this video. So thank you for today, and we will meet in next video. So thanks for today. This is day 1.